Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Yasss. My name is Yash Patel, and in today's series of the Java we will be creating our first Java project in Eclipse. As I told you in previous video that in this Java tutorial we will be using Eclipse IDE. So let's first go and download the Eclipse from the browser. So for that, what I'm gonna do, just open the new tab or your Chrome browser and just simply type the Eclipse download, and over there you will see the first link. Open the link and automatically you will be able to see the desktop version and as well as the um, iOS version as well. So we will download, and after that just click the download button, and you will be asking for the location. And for the location I will prefer you just store it in your local C drive. Now I have already installed the Eclipse, so I will not be going to download it again. But after downloading, you will see the .exe file, and when you open the .exe file, you will be seeing the pop-up like this, and over there you have to select the Eclipse for Java, C and C++ and different purpose, but we will select the first for the Java, and after that hit the next or green button, and then you will be redirected to select the JVM. As you see that JVM will be automatically selected, but for this series we will be using Java 22. So select the Java 22 from the first drop down and hit the next button, and after that you will be asking for the uh, accept the terms and condition. Sorry for that I have forget to take the screenshot of that, but no worries, just accept the terms and condition, and then just you will see just the install, and after installing you will see the launch button. So yeah, that that's the simplest steps. And now let's just go to the Eclipse, and over there we will see Eclipse. Why it's taking too much time? Okay, so now you can see that I have created some default classes that for now I'm going to close, and this is our default ID. Like, these are the base classes, these are the packages within this class, and here in this panel we will be able to see write our code, and this is the console box where we will see our output. So let's, in this class, in the package, what I'm gonna do, that create a new package, and I will give its title to Java tutorial, and I will just finish, and you can see that our package is successfully created. And if you don't know what is the package, then go back to the previous video. I will pin it to the top right corner right here. Yeah, there you go. And after that just come back, and in this package we will create our first class, and we will give our class as first file, and don't forget to keep it name as capital, because class name always start with the capital, and these I also have mentioned in the previous video, so do watch my previous video. And here we have we are using id, so we have specific features like I want to by default want the static method, so I will add that and just simply hit the finish button, and automatically I will have my static method, right? So I don't need to write it from the zero, right? So for now I will remove this, and you see the Java tutorial which was our project, the class name that we had given, and just what I'm gonna do simply do is uh, system dot out dot print ln out dot println, sorry. Now you can see that these are the uh, default coming as a function that I will discuss in the next upcoming video, and the semicolon to add that this particular statement is ended here, and I'm gonna do is that hello my Java slayers, right? And if we want to run this code, then just simply hit this file, or first you will want to compile, but first let's save the file and just hit the run, I mean the dark green, proceed, and yeah, there you go. Here is our output. I mean, here is the simplest way to create our first Java project. Now try it yourself, and if you find any difficulties, then please do let me know in the comment section. And if you like the video, then hit the like, and please do subscribe my YouTube channel if you want. And in upcoming video we will go further in Java uh, with Eclipse, and till then just slay the Java code with me, Yasss. And till then, see you guys in the next video. Bye, take care, have a nice day, chill out guys.